This is the rear end I've been waiting for. I literally just posted about this, yet here we are in Detroit with Kia to get a first look at their response. I'm Chris from AutoAcademics, and this is the all-new 2026 Kia K4 Hatchback. I just reviewed the K4 Sedan and truly had a bit of buyer's remorse afterwards. In fact, the only feature missing was a bit more flexibility for cargo. Well, the regret is back because the K4 is now available as a hatchback, and you guys know how I love a good hatchback. The K4 Sedan is a nice looking vehicle, but this hatchback makes a statement of its own with a floating roofline that extends all the way to the rear hatch. Crazy thing is, it's 11 inches shorter than the sedan, yet doesn't sacrifice any legroom and gains an extra inch of rear headroom. And while the sedan is no slouch in the trunk, the main highlight of a hatchback is cargo space. This has 22.2 cubic feet behind the rear seats and 59.3 cubic feet when they're folded. For reference, the K4 Sedan has 14.6 cubic feet in the trunk, with a bit more when you fold the 60/40 rear seats down. That's by no means bad, it's just not hatchback good. Other key design elements are borrowed from the sedan, including vertical LED headlights and taillights, hidden door handles in the C-pillar, and the athletic stance. GT Line and GT Line Turbo models add sporty flair with a 3-spoke steering wheel, paddle shifters, and 18-inch alloy wheels. The GT Line Turbo does have slightly different headlights though, LED fog lights, and a standard power sunroof with larger 16-inch front brakes. A lot of interior features carry over as well, including a dual digital display that's almost 30 inches wide, standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and wireless phone charging. You also get a Wi-Fi hotspot, Kia Connect's AI-based voice assistant with enhanced voice recognition, premium data services with over-the-air updates, available heated and ventilated front seats, as well as a Harman Kardon audio system. There's also Digital Key 2.0 that allows your smart devices to function as virtual keys. If you'd like to know more about all these features, you can check out our full review of the sedan at the link in the description. Powertrain options are also carried over from the sedan, with a standard 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that makes 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque that's mated to an intelligently variable transmission. And then there's the optional 1.6-liter turbocharged engine that produces 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque through an 8-speed automatic transmission. GT Line and GT Line Turbo models get a sportier suspension than the standard trims, and the hatchback gets all the same safety features as the sedan too. Pricing and fuel economy haven't been announced yet, but you can expect the 2026 K4 hatchback to reach dealers in late 2025. So, what do you think about Kia's all-new hatchback? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss what we have coming up next. I'm Chris from AutoAcademics. Thanks for watching.